This is a great value must-have tool from Workzone, the 14.4 volt combi drill. This combination power drill is perfect for drilling and screw driving anywhere around the home, office or workshop. It has a 2-speed gearbox, variable speed with reverse, an auto spindle lock, an LED light and a rubber over mould grip. The lithium-ion battery charges in just 1 hour. It comes with a user manual, a charger, 6 screwdriver bits, a nylon tool bag and a free 3-year warranty. The 14.4 volt combi drill from Workzone.